In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated payment reminders in Zoho Books. If you want to follow up on invoices more consistently and reduce the need to manually remind customers about upcoming or overdue payments, automated reminders can be a very useful tool. Zoho Books lets you create these reminders in just a few minutes, and once they're enabled, they can help you stay organized and maintain a smoother accounts receivable process. To begin, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're using the correct organization or business profile if you manage more than one, since reminder settings are configured within the account you currently have open. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings area by clicking the Settings icon. This is where Zoho Books keeps most of the account-level configuration options, including automation features like reminders. Inside Settings, look under Setup and Configurations and select Reminders. This section is where you can manage automated reminder rules for invoice follow-ups and payment notifications. Next, click New Reminder to create a new automated reminder. This opens the setup screen where you'll define exactly how and when the reminder should be sent. Now choose the reminder type. You'll typically have the option to base it on either the expected payment date or the due date. This choice depends on how your billing process works. If you want reminders tied to a planned payment timeline, use the expected payment date. If you want them linked directly to the invoice deadline, choose the due date option. After that, enter a name for the reminder. Pick something clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple reminder rules for different stages of follow-up. Then, configure the reminder schedule. Here, you'll decide when the email should be sent, either before or after the selected payment date reference. This is important because timing affects how proactive or firm your communication feels, so set it based on your collection process. Once the timing is set, customize the reminder email. Edit the subject line and message so the email sounds professional and fits your brand tone. Keep the message clear, polite, and direct so recipients immediately understand what the reminder is about. When everything looks good, click Save to store the reminder. After saving, make sure to enable it by turning on the status toggle for that reminder. If it isn't enabled, it won't run automatically. Finally, verify that the reminder appears under automated reminders and that its status shows as enabled. This confirms the setup is complete and active. Thanks for watching.